Today, we've got the first look at the new Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7. So we have got plenty of details leaked, including the design, thanks to OnLeaks and Android Authority. The internal folding display is 6.8 inches, slightly larger than previous models. The crease in the screen is still there, but less noticeable, thanks to improved ultra-thin glass. And we've got confirmation that it will still be a dual-camera setup. The Z Flip 7 will continue with a dual camera system, a 50-megapixel primary camera, and a 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera. The selfie camera is still a 10-megapixel punch-hole camera. Even though the megapixels are the same as last year's model, there are sensor improvements. Now there were a few rumors of the Z Flip 7 being powered by the Exynos. The Z Flip 7 will be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite instead of the Exynos 2500, and it will feature 12 gigabytes of RAM. Users will have a choice between 256 gigabytes or 512 gigabytes of internal storage. And according to the rumors, the design is quite similar to last year's, with a few minor dimension changes. The external display is slightly larger, but there are no major design updates. The color is likely to remain black, despite earlier rumors suggesting a color-coded top panel, and the phone will still have a dual-screen experience, with the cover display being useful for taking selfie with the rear cameras. As expected, there's no revolutionary new feature, but it looks like a solid upgrade for people who enjoy flip phones. So if you like my video, give a thumbs up and subscribe.